Today we carry on and learning of Python, and we're talking about Python strings and integers, as well as showing some Python expressions and statements. Okay, so open your Thorny IDE, come on File, let's save this file as save it as just a simple statements. Yeah, simple statement.py. Don't forget the py. Okay, I'm gonna save it on my folder here. I've got a folder called Python, and I'll set this in. Okay, right. The first thing I'm going to show here is how numbers can be manipulated in Python. For example, I'll say A, and I'll plug 4 into A. I'll say B, and I'll plug 5 into B. And I'll say C, I'll plug 3.14 into C. I'll add an X, plug 2, add an Y, and plug number 3. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to say print. Let me just say print here. So I can print. If I say print Y, and we can see the value of Y here is. Let me just zoom in a little bit. You can see that the value of Y is 3. There's the value of Y. Alright. And if I go here and say so I'll just type let me just for type and say is equal type. I need to know this value of Y, what type it is. What type it is. What type is it? Okay, so say type of Y, and I'll type there typ. When I run this, and it's showing me that the type of Y variable is an integer. Okay. Again, now we see here we have 3.14 there. This is a float. Now if I ask for this type of C there, type of C, and run this,